Welcome to my channel. How to update TP-Link admin username and password simple tutorial. 1. Connect to your TP-Link router. First, connect your computer or smartphone to the TP-Link router Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable. 2. Open a web browser. Launch any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox on your device. 3. Enter the router login address. Type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the browser address bar and press enter. 4. Log in to the router dashboard. Enter the current admin username and password to access the TP-Link router settings page. 5. Go to System Tools or Advanced Settings. Once logged in, navigate to Advanced Settings or System Tools depending on your router model. 6. Find the Administration or Account section. Look for the Administration, Account Management, or Password Settings option. 7. Enter the current admin password. For security, you may need to enter the current admin password before making changes. 8. Create a new username and password. Type your new admin username and strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. 9. Save the changes. Click the Save or Apply button to update the router's admin login credentials. 10. Log in again with new details. Log out and sign in again using the new admin username and password to confirm the update. Tip: always write down your new login details in a safe place so you don't forget them. Thanks for watching.